Two brand new contenders have landed in 2025, both aiming to shake up the touring tyre market. On one side, we have the Falken ZIEX ZE320, a value-driven option with the promise of upgraded comfort and wet grip. On the other hand, we have the Michelin Primacy 5, a returning champion, refined with better tread life and all-round performance. Let's see who really rules the road. Throughout this comparison, you'll see performance metrics represented in percentages, with the Falken ZIEX ZE320 set as the reference point at 100%. These results are sourced from 2025 often blotted summer tyre tests. In wet braking, the Primacy 5 stops 3.3 meters shorter, giving it a 10% advantage. While in aquaplaning resistance, the Primacy 5 holds on 2.3 km per hour longer, giving it a 3% edge. On the wet handling lap times, it's 1.5 seconds quicker, about 2% faster. How about subjectively? The Michelin scores a perfect 10 out of 10, while the Falken trails with 7, a 15% gap in driving confidence. Overall, it's clear that the wet performance is dominated by the Michelin Primacy 5. Switching to dry performance, the ZE320 stops 0.8 meters shorter in braking, a small 2% win. But for handling feel, both tyres are neck and neck, scoring 9 out of 10. The ZE320 edges in pure stopping power, but it's a close call. In estimated mileage, the difference is huge. The ZE320 clocks in at 35,500 km, while the Primacy 5 stretches to 71,900 km, a whopping 102% longer tread life. For long-term users, that's a game changer. How about cabin comfort? Both tyres ace it. Each scores 10 out of 10 in subjective noise, offering serene and refined rides. When it comes to efficiency, the Primacy 5 takes another small win, with a rolling resistance coefficient value of 7.74 versus 7.99 for the ZE320. That's a 3% advantage, a minor gain, but one that adds up over time. And finally, the price. The Falken ZIEX ZE320 comes in at a significantly lower cost compared to the Michelin Primacy 5, which is approximately 38% more expensive. That's a notable difference. In summary, the Falken ZIEX ZE320 excels in dry braking, quiet comfort, at a lower price. On the other hand, if you demand stronger wet grip, much longer tread life, and slight gains in fuel savings, the Michelin Primacy 5 proves its worth as the premium tyre. For all-round touring excellence, it's on another level.
Thanks for watching and don't forget to subscribe.